What the? What you do to that thing?
Yo, welcome back to Kikis Customs, the only custom shop, which I have no idea what I'm doing, but we make it work. Yeah, if you guys saw my last video, we took off the roof of this. So today we gotta finish it off because we're going full El Camino style on this thing. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore, man. I'm just trying to keep you guys entertained. So what we gotta do today, we have to take out this window, that window, and that window. Then we'll get an angle grinder, cut it right here, nice and flat. Probably go around this one more time. It's a little windy today, so excuse that wind noise. Yeah, gonna do an oil change on this thing. Gonna do a dent removal. If we could get a plunger that'll suction on that, you'll see what I'm talking about. And then after this thing is done, we're gonna take it to a car show today, a car meet, and see what people think about it. Get some reactions. This is gonna be the last day that my beautiful sub box that I built, we're gonna have to take those out because I'm not trying to get those stolen. Yeah, throwback to that one time these guys tried to take my sound system, broken through my window. Couldn't get the subs out, but they ended up stealing my $30 head unit from eBay. So, you know, real scholars right there. Some tweakers, smash. Right? Came in here, grabbed my $60 radio, missed the $5 right here. Like, really? And then they took my wallet. Smart. But yeah, today's gonna be exciting. Today's gonna be something else, you know. After we go to this car show, we're gonna take the subs out, make a custom box for the SL Mercedes build. Mercedes is gonna sound nice, you know. I'm talking too much. Just get into it. All right, so we're gonna try to do this a little bit better than last video where we did this. So what I did is I put tape on the outside. We have some tint on the inside that'll keep that glass there. This tape will keep this glass here. We'll break it, try to pull it out. I got a center punch now, so we won't be using a hammer. What this is basically if you want to drill somewhere, it gives it a nice little dent. But when you do it on tempered glass, it just shatters it. And then I also got this thing, this USB charger, and it has this glass breaker. So I want to see if this works too. All right, so here goes this. Nice and easy. Definitely don't do that at home or anywhere or in public. Maybe I shouldn't have given you that tip. I don't even know if this is gonna work. Let's try this, hold on. Okay, check it out. All right, you get the idea. I gotta put my camera down. All right, now time for this one. Imagine you're stuck in a car and your car's sinking. You need to get out real quick. Yeah, you probably just sink. I don't know if this thing's gonna work. What is this thing? It's not gonna work. All right, whatever. That's how it's supposed to be done. Look at that. Nice and easy. Look how it looks in the light. Oh, you pulled it. This is James' first time, this is my neighbor's first time seeing it. Let's get his reaction.
Wait, before you say anything, I had nothing to do with this project. I only like cool, fast cars.
So when I pulled out, I was looking over at your cover and I'm like, did he just chop that into a convertible? And I was bang on.
It
actually looks pretty good.
No, yeah, we're making it an El Camino, bro. A presidential style.
The duct tape.
The duct tape.
Oh, that's good.
It's good.
Is she putting the mutters on it?
I'm putting the mutters on it, lifting it. We'll eventually cut it out right here, so then we can put the dirt bikes in the back.
Ammonium.
I can't wait to take that to Gorman.
Yeah, we're gonna take it off-road too. I have my son showing him how to break glass. Oh yeah.
Damn.
You want to do this one real quick? Oh. This is why you wear the gloves. Ooh. All right, we're gonna pull this out, cut this off, and then change the oil. Put our logo on, put my logo on it, and take it to the car meet.
Oh my
Yeah. He doesn't want to ride in it, but I'm gonna make him ride in this.
You're not making me.
Yeah, you're gonna ride in the hood.
Watch, y'all finna look. I'm not gonna end up in
He's
this
too
car.
embarrassed to ride in the El Camino, man. This is presidential style, my guy. This is presidential style.
What the? What'd you do to that thing?
It's a convertible. What do you mean?
Nuts, dude. That's awesome.
Yeah. See, somebody agrees now.
That's so cool.
He's embarrassed to ride in it. You think it's awesome?
Oh, that's rad, dude.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
It's nuts, man.
Yeah.
You just cut this thing up.
Yeah. So that's a thumbs up for us. For
That's
Chris.
so cool.
You saw my car before, right?
Yeah.
You see it now?
You made it into a convertible?
Exactly.
Wow.
You want to ride?
Wow. I thought it was going to be a dog.
He said he's gonna give us a ride. We're gonna ride on it. We're gonna put our hands.
Exactly.
He's gonna give us a tour.
Go off-roading.
I mean, it's not gonna be safe at all, but what's life, you know?
Yeah, pull up to the...
Changed all the brakes, changed your rear end, changed your tracks.
What's your plans for it? Just restoring it?
Check the sound out. I like that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so we just got the oil changed. Show my coworkers. That was my old boss right there. Now we're gonna give my boy Leo an oil change. And then we get to go to the car meet. Gonna throw the logos on the side still. 5 CVTC Nissan.
That's what it said.
Yeah. Okay, plunger, then. This is my work. Oh. It's not working. All right, that didn't work. We gotta go to phase 2. Phase 2 will definitely get this out. We got it out. A little dense, but so we popped off this door panel. Got a tire iron, heat, popped it out. Perfect. Now we gotta put that on there. Quick fix. Yeah, it was good enough. Oh, perfect. About to pop out with my pimp cane.
What's up, G? It's an antenna.
Oh, at extendo mode. All right, so check this out. We got Evan. Evan's gonna come here. We're gonna go get some food. We're gonna pick up Archie.
Close it, bro.
Bro, shut up! I'm trying to make a video. And then we're gonna head over to the car meet. We got ham, and we got ham. We're gonna link up in a quick sec. So I'm gonna pick somebody up. I'll fill you guys in a second.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You want a fox now? Let's go! Oh, 10s.
You can tell someone put money into this thing.
Yeah,
Someone took
yeah,
care
yeah.
of
He
this car.
Yeah. How much more could you ask for? You got a straight pipe V8, 4 10s, 5-speed stick shift, drop top, white paint. My boy RC here, first time. He helped me pull out the 350 trans. Alright, car meet time! Yo, I was just getting, oh my god, bro. I was just getting chased. Oh, bro. Bro, I was getting followed by the cops. Some dude just saved my ass.
Saves, clutching it.
Dude, alright, so I was getting followed by these cops right here. And because my fucking roof, bro, we passed him and he pulled out real quick to follow us, chasing us. And then some dumbass in front of us pulled and he split the yellow line. He just fucking zoomed. And the cops saw him. Cops went after him, not me. Saved my ass, bro. Alright, we came late, but we're gonna get one spot in. So let's go check it out. Yeah. Cops pulling in already. Because there's a helicopter up.
You guessed it. It's time to go. Get in your cars and leave. Take your meat, take your shells, and go home. Nobody wants you here.
Alright, so car meet was a bust, but we brought our own cars to our car meet. Swing that, swing that! And if you guys like that video, hit that subscribe because I got some more videos coming. I don't know, man. Leave a comment if you want to see more. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, y'all. I got some more content coming out. Sorry about that meet didn't go through, but we got to drag race these. 3, 2, 1, go!